Hey guys, so in this chapter, we want to do an extension of the previous chapter. We've generated our videos through multiple AI tools, right? Now, what I want to do is I want to edit this particular video, right? So, to edit a video, you can use a couple of tools, right? You can use tools like Canva, which will help you make basic edits to a video. You can use tools like Adobe, which is charging a very basic fee, but it gives you a lot of feature. But again, the learning curve is slightly more over there. The tool that I really like to do these edit is called CapCut, right? Pretty intuitive, pretty easy to use, and you can easily work with CapCut. So what you can do is you can just go to CapCut from here and well, actually, the problem is that CapCut is not allowed in a lot of countries, right? So especially in a country like India, you can't use CapCut, right? You can't download CapCut. In that case, what you can do is you can just go to free VPN. Yep. Or I have a VPN. You can use the same one. The name of the VPN is called, I have a VPN extension which you can clearly use, right? And with the help of this VPN, what you can do is directly, yes, can you see free VPN for Chrome, right? So just add this to Chrome, add an extension, and what happens is you basically change your ID to some any other country that you want, right? You have a couple of countries free, and then all the other countries are chargeable, right? So you can just come here, use this plugin for a country where you do not have VPN, right? So you can use this. You have a tutorial as well, but you don't really need to go through the entire tutorial. Just come here, search for the VPN again, which is called. Da, 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 da. Wow, I have a lot of extensions over here. Yep. Right. And you just need to switch this on. It's called VPN. Right. Click on continue, start, and all of these things. Upgrade. No, I want to continue for free. Even though you have an offer, I don't want to use any of these things. Right. Just do a basic sign up and you select some of the countries that which will allow CapCut, like United States, Canada, etc. So you can select any of these. Any European country will also work. Once you do that, you will go through the all the prompts where you can download and save CapCut on your system, right? And once it is done downloading, you will be able to see CapCut just like this, right? So CapCut, right? This tool is going to be downloaded on your system. CapCut, like I said, very easy to use, very comfortable, right? Gives you a lot of functionality which can be easily done when it comes to editing. You don't really need to hire a professional editor right from the beginning, right? The only thing this tool does not do is it does not erase watermarks, right? So you might need a premium tool for that, which can help you remove watermarks. The free tool does not here remove watermarks, but most of the things that you want to get done, right, can be easily done with this. All right. Yeah. So, all right. I think I wasn't clearly sharing my screen. So, what you need to do is, like I said, come here, search for free VPN, add this to Chrome. You will see this extension here. You can just click on this. You can see connection is off. Just switch this on. And right now, optimized location is Amsterdam. CapCut will work for Amsterdam as well. You can change the location to US, etc. You will identify some of the free countries. A lot more countries are going to be expensive, basically on a premium version. And that's when you can get, when you search for CapCut, you will see a CapCut account here. Here you can see in this some other language. Once this is done, your CapCut will be downloaded. You just need to follow the steps, follow the prompt, and you will start seeing this CapCut. And you can see CapCut just like this over here, right? Once you have CapCut here, all you need to do is click on New Project, right? And while this loads, what I'm going to do is, let's say, for example, I'm going to come back to the video that I generated through InVideo, right? So this is my video and I can just click on download and it will stock watermarks is something that we have to do. In video branding normal, yes. Download resolution, try to get as high as you can, right? And it will take a couple of seconds, and free you will just completely download the video. Usually rendering the video takes some time, right? Because it needs to place everything, the subtitles, the videos, the alignment, etc. happens in the rendering stage. That's why it takes some time. But I think given maximum 1 minute, your entire video will be downloaded. right? Similarly, in the meanwhile, while this is getting downloaded, I can go and it's already done downloading. But while this is getting downloaded as well, I can go to my other tools. Let's say, for example, we created this video on Notebook, right? So you can see the download option here as well. So you can download this. Only with respect to Weed, I don't want to start downloading right away, right? I'll teach you something else when it comes to Weed. But all of this, I think it's still, there's some level of download left. Uh, uh, uh. Right now it is showing it is 17 seconds left. So that's absolutely okay. Right? So similarly, so okay. In the meanwhile, while this gets downloaded, let's jump to Weed. What happens with Weed is that if your video is less than a minute, right, it can be easily shared, right? So if you just click on done, right now it will ask me for a subscription, right? It's asking me for a subscription because the length of this video is over a minute, right? So if you have a lengthier video, my suggestion would be to break the video down. So once you got a stock of the entire video, how it looks, how it feels, how it sounds, etc., we need to download or break the videos into three parts and create three videos. And all those videos are free to download, right? Even in some cases, no, a portrait mode is free to download. So let's try a portrait mode. Let's see if I can download this. Sometimes what happens is you can download, but the voice which is being used in the video, right, is a premium voice, right? So let's say, for example, I want to start and try with Sarah. So this is a 1 minute 20-second video. So length could be an issue. Yeah, length is clearly an issue, right? So like I said, you can download in short formats. Now, what I'll do is just to show you how to do the next part now, I'm going to delete some of these scenes. So naturally, my video will go smaller, right? And I'll try to bring this in less than a minute. Now, if you see the length of my video is less than a minute now, I think now we should be okay. Can you see it is generating a video? So again, this is also rendering the video. So video was there, images were there, subtitles were there. It's just trying to render that video for you, basically align everything and give it to you in one place, right? And now, like just like this, you can see that your video is ready, right? You can share this on any of the profiles that you want. So you can see Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email, etc. You can share this as well. You can copy the link. You can actually just share this video by putting an email address directly. Before doing any of these things, right? I want to do one step before this. Now, when I realized, when I was actually watching this video, I realized the stock images didn't look that great, right? So all you need to do is at this particular stage, no, just click on this edit button on the top. It will create a CapCut like scenario itself, right? So if you see any video editor, right, they have this line over here, which is your progress bar, right? So similarly in Veed.io, you see the same thing. So it is showing you, see, your music is over here. This is the layer of music. This is the layer of your subtitles. This is a layer of some background music, and all the images are here. Now, if I play this, you can see the deep dive into why digital marketing is essential for every small business. So the way it is scrolling, right, you will see this going at the same time, right? So anything. So now let's say, for example, if I play this and there is this section here. If I click on this, and let's say I don't want this section, I can just click delete. And that video will play now. Transform your, but the section has gone away, right? So what you need to do is basically, this is the most easiest thing now. Across this, I need to just think about what they are trying to talk about, right? What is the content, etc. And while this is playing, right, basis the content, to our deep dive into why digital marketing is essential for every small business. Right, so here we can show an image of a small business, right? So what you can do is, again, there are multiple tools out there. ChatGPT will do this for you. Meta AI will do an amazing job. All of these generative AI tools. Now, all you need to do is go and generate an image, right? So now what I'm going to do is, this talks about why digital marketing is important for a small business. So I'm just going to go to Meta AI, right? And you can use, like I said, a lot more tools, but here, let's say, for example, um, create a video, right? Why isn't this clicking? Is it still, oh, it's still loading. That's why. Let's just give it a quick second. Right. In the meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I will go to another tool because I want to generate multiple images. The name of the AI tool is called as Sora, right? It's a chat GPT version of video. And can I start typing here? Not yet. It's still loading. All right. Sora is loaded for us, right? So you can see all the previous stuff that you've done in the past is all here, right? And here you can see describe your image. So let's say, for example, I want to create a clip which will video the line of the video says, are you a digital marketer? I'm sure the line slightly means something else, but that's okay. Leads and sales, right? So you can in fact create not just a image but a video clip as well. Let's see if the free version allows me to do this, and I'm just going to click on submit. Hopefully it will give me one or two generations. That's what I'm hoping for. No, it's not. Right, so I'm just going to come back to image and I'm going to generate this image. But there are many more tools out there, guys, which you can use to generate these small clips. Right, you can go to Veo, you can go to tools like Flow, you can go to tools like Runway ML, you can go to tools like Van. All of these will generate these small clips for your video, right? And I am going to come back, and here in my media, now you will see that it is. Let me just copy this prompt so that I don't miss out on this. Because I don't see this generating things anywhere. Oh yeah, now it's begun to generate. And my meta is also here, right? Let's try to edit this part as well and generate one more from meta. All right, this is surprisingly slow for meta. I'm going to just quickly do a hard refresh on this site. Let's see if this works out and tries to make this a little faster. Meanwhile, 8% of my image is already done here, right? And you can keep doing a lot of stuff. In fact, guys, there is this tool which is called as uh, Pixels, right? Pixels basically gives you free stock images and videos, right? So here for the best free stock videos for creators, I'll just click on video. Yep. And whatever topic you want, right? And whatever format, this is vertical, this is horizontal, whatever you want over here, right? So let's say, for example, uh, unhappy businessman. Let me try that. Right? Even if it does not have exactly what you're looking for, it might give you something. So can you see this, right? And this is a small video as well, right? So here you can see this man really frustrated. Let's try something else. This man is literally crying and we don't want that. Um, let's try and find something else. This is about stocks, so we don't want that. This is like too sad. This does not show unhappy, just shows a businessman not here. This is good, but background is stocks and all of these things. But let's try with this. I actually like this, right? And it will just download that video for you, right? And in the meanwhile, I will go back to my Meta AI. Not loaded yet. Let's see what Sora has done for me. Oh, it did not actually create an image. So actually, because there was just text, right? So it did not create. So I mean, a better way to get this done is just go to ChatGPT, just give the same lines what I've given here and ask it to generate an image, right? Actually, because I said, let's try this. Generate an image that will, uh, go as a clip inside my video, and all that is okay. Let's try and see if this works out in some way or the other. In the meanwhile, let me come back to my site here. Right now here in over here, when you want to look at this, right? So if I just click on videos, you can upload a video, right? The one that we just downloaded. I'm gonna go on downloads. Can you see? No, this is the entire download. Where did the download go? Yep, this is the one. All right, so this was basically upload that thing, right? And yes, can you see this is all over here? So I'm gonna slightly move this over here, and we don't want it to be so long. So exactly placing it the size, and I'm gonna remove this, right? Now if I play my video from the very beginning, let's see how it goes. Welcome to our deep dive into why digital marketing is essential for every small business. Okay, this is the wrong placement, of course. Today, we'll explore how digital marketing can transform your brand online. So we could have used something transformative, etc. So, but you see, the idea is wherever I place this now, so conveniently, it will just digital marketing encompasses all marketing. Right? So whatever you want to edit, we can edit and it will just keep going as a flow. Like that's how easy and simple it is. Just drag and drops, just copy paste, etc. Anything that you create, right? So let's say if we have done something with no, actually it's not generating that image for you. It's just generating a like a banner. So we have to prompt it much better, which can be generated to ChatGPT, but you get the idea. That's exactly how, by the way, CapCut will function. If I come here, I click on upload, and we've just downloaded this in video thing, which is I think in my downloads. Yeah, right, my in video. You can also download your video that you created on the other site, which was Notebook LLM by Google. So you can see this video over here. Digital marketing is everywhere. Right now, if I drag this down here, it will break everything, right? Your images, all of these things will be broken down. And now if I just play this over here, yeah, all these sections have come in. So now, yes, once you do this, once you play, digital marketing is everything. Now, let's say, for example, again, you want to add that particular stock, right? So you can just go to library and import, and I want media. I want media, but this is not giving me an upload option. Oh yeah, import again, right? And then again, I want that particular thing that we just got, which is here. Oh no, this is here, upload. Right now, wherever you want to place this. Now again, guys, please understand this is a horizontal video, right? So you will have to have placements like horizontal, but I'm just putting it over here right now. So if I just place it here, right, it will create this layer. Now, wherever it is, right, this is playing. I'll just click on play. What does it really mean for your small business? Let's break it down step by step. Digital marketing is basically any marketing done online. Think web. Right? You can do here. And of course, I mean, here you can stretch this a little bit as much as you can, but that's make it small, larger, like that. If you want to cover the screen, you can play along with this. And I just want it for this time. So all that while this thing will play for your entire screen. Google searches. For small businesses, it's like having a storefront that's open 24/7, reaching people near and far. Take it. Right? So anything you want to edit out of here, right? If you want to add a different music over here, just download the music, upload it again. If you want to download, add a video, noise, voice, any of these things, everything is available over here, guys. Right? So this is how you create and edit videos. Once this is done, you will see the export button over here and you can just download this video. Whenever you want to use a video on YouTube, you need to upload the video on YouTube. You can't just upload the video on Google Ads. So it has to be hosted on YouTube. Only then this can be used. Right? So one last thing on Veed as well. Once all the edits are done, you can just click on download, done, right? And it will ask you remove watermark, which will ask you for money, but we are okay with watermarks right now. You'll just click on export video and your video will be done with you, right? So that's how, guys, you edit amazing videos. And you can see we did this practically in a few minutes, right? So if you spend half a day properly doing this, right, you will get amazing results coming out of this. Cool. Awesome. So next class onwards, guys, we're going to start running ads, right? So I'll teach you how the interface works, how to go about with things to do, things to avoid, etc. So see you in the other class, guys. Bye bye.